There's tons of things that need to be done to get ready for a craft fair. I'm going to show you the best way to get organized for all of your craft fairs this year. I've got a craft fair tracker, a checklist, a sales tracker, inventory tracker, price list, income and expenses tracker, and a client tracker to help you stay organized this year. I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel on my website at savvyandthriving.com. So here we go. Okay, so we are here in the craft fair tracker, and I'm gonna just do a quick sample to show you how it works. Okay, so we're gonna pretend that our next fair is gonna be in May, and let's just pretend the day of the week is gonna be on a Saturday, and you can write down the event name. So let's just call it the Farmers Fair, and then let's say the location is gonna be at the park. You can put the address if you want. You can put the sign-up fee, the booth size, and the contact for sign up. So if there's a website, if there's a person's name and email, we'll just say that there's just a person's name and email. Have you signed up and paid the fee? It's a great checkbox to use. If you happen to be using this in Excel, it's not going to have the checkboxes. You'll just put an X there in case, but it works just as good. Okay, the setup time for the craft show, let's just say it's going to be 8 a.m. And then the hours, let's say it's going to be from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Any notes? What do you need to bring? What's important? What do they give you? That kind of thing. Here's a great place for you to track how many products you actually sold at the fair. And then how much did you make while you were there? Rate it as well. So you can rate it from 1 being the worst and 5 being the best. And do you want to do it again? That way, next year, I do not want to go to that one again, or yes, it made a lot of money. Okay, this next one is a craft fair checklist. I've got it sorted by before, the packing list, and the day of the event. So we can write down the festival name. So let's just call it this, the Hometown Fair. You can use my checklist. If you don't like it, you can write your own things, prepare crafts, buy supplies, whatever you need to do, check it off as you get it done. The packing list is things for you to prepare and buy beforehand, and then the event day, things that you need to do while you're there, and find your space, set up your booth, put your display out, things like that. This is a simple sales tracker for you to track all the sales that you made during the fair. So we can just do a sample. Let's just say it's a necklace. It's going to be, black and gold necklace. Say you sold it for, $45. You sold 3 of them. It will calculate your total for you. It will also calculate the total number of sales that you had and the total number of sales as well. This is a really easy to use craft supplies inventory tracker. So you can track the item, the category, description, brand, store, color, size, the date you purchased it, the quantity, the unit, the cost, and the plan for each item, and then the link to the website. And then this is also going to track how much you've actually spent on all of your items, just to know, am I making money? How profitable am I? This next one is an editable and printable price list. So you can display this at the show if you'd like. You can put necklace, 12-inch necklace for $45. The next one is your income and expense tracker. This is really handy because there's a lot of upfront expenses, for the booth and rentals and things like that. Mileage, food, things like that. So we can put in the date of the income or expense, choose what it was, let's say expense, and let's call this the booth rental, rental for 10 by 10. And there's no income for that, but then expense was $150, say you paid $1.50 in tax. And then, the day of, you can put down your income for the cash sales, the card sales, online sales, and then you can track everything to know during that day, did you make money and what was your net profit? So this will show you everything for your income, everything for your expenses, all the tax you paid, and the net profit, and any notes you can put as well. This is your client tracker, so this is a great place for you to jot down all of the contacts that you made while you were at your craft fair. You can put their name, address, phone, email, and any to-dos, wants to buy 3 necklaces. Anything like that. So this is a handy sheet to keep as well. Again, this sheet does work in Google Sheets and Excel. It's available again on my website at savvyandthriving.com. I have lots of sheets that help you stay organized for your home, your business, for budgeting. There's over 400 sheets on my website at this time. So feel free to look around and let me know if you have questions. Have a great day.